就是 How do you become heartless so you don't get hurt by the one you love? Aww. Let it go. 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 放下吧。Are you still crying about your breakup with Ryan? That happened months ago. You gotta let it go.
你还在为和 Ryan 分手伤心吗？都过去好几个月了，你得放得下。
I can't let it go. It's love. How do I let love go?
我怎么放得下？那是爱呀，我怎么能放下真爱呢？
Better off without him. Better off without her. Better off without him or her.
没有他更好。
He was such a bad boyfriend. He never took you out on dates, and you saw him like once a month. You're so much better off without him.
他是个渣男，他从来没带你出去约会，你差不多1个月才看他1次，你没有他会更好。
If you love something, set it free. If you love something, set it free. If you love something, set it free.
如果你爱一个人，就给他自由。
You know this phrase, right? If you love something, set it free. If it comes back, it's yours. If it doesn't, it never was.
你知道有句俗话吧？如果你爱一个人，就给他自由。如果他回来了，他就是你的；如果他没有，那他一开始就不是你的。
好，请评论告诉我 How do you let it go after a relationship ends? Okay, bye bye.